If you love Jesus, stop scrolling for just a moment. I want to share something powerful with you. Remember the story of Jericho? Its walls were massive, seemingly unbreakable. God gave Joshua a strange command: march around the city once a day for 6 days, in complete silence. Then on the seventh day, march around it 7 times. It must have seemed illogical, even foolish. But Joshua obeyed. On the seventh day, at his command, the people let out a mighty shout, and the impossible happened. The walls of Jericho crumbled to the ground. As it says in Joshua 6:20, when the trumpet sounded, the army shouted, and at the sound of the trumpet, when the men gave a loud shout, the wall collapsed. This story shows us that our faith can break down barriers that our own strength never could. Sometimes God asks for our obedience, even when it doesn't make sense to us. Trust in His plan. God bless you.